Accessible web design is the key to increased revenue and success on the internet. Imagine being able to increase your e-commerce revenue by more than 15%. With accessible web design, this is possible. For over 2 years, we have specialized in making websites not only more accessible, but also more profitable. Accessible web design means significantly greater reach and visibility in search engines, improved usability for all internet users through enhanced contrasts, and a greatly improved usability. Our team seamlessly implements accessible web design into your systems, aligning with your business values. Discover the potential of accessible web design for your company. Schedule your free demo appointment now, where we will absolutely show you which tools can be used and also demonstrate the visual highlighting of screen readers and tab navigation live. Make your website a place that is truly accessible for everyone and contact us right now, today. You can find all the information about it below in the video description. Thank you for your attention.